Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Maths. Today I'm explaining one of Olympiad Mathematics in Sri Lanka given by SLMC, one question. Let's read this one and go to try to the answer. Okay. In a school, the ratio of girls to boys 6:5. If the average height of the girls is 129 centimeters and the average height of the boys is 132 centimeters. What is the average height of the student in the school? So in this question, they give the ratio of the girls and boys and the average height of girls and boys. It is separate average heights. So we need to check the what is the average height of the student. It may be both girls and boys, but need to take average height. So let's try to solve this question. Okay, let's go to the answer. Okay, let's take the average height of the girls. They given 128 centimeters. Again, average height of the boys, they give 132 centimeters. And the ratio of the girls and boys, we can write like this, is equal to 6:5. So we can write total number of girls, we can write like unknown ratio, like this, 6n. If the number of girls equal to 6n, the total number of boys is equal to 5n, then we can take 6n to 5n is equal to the minimum ratio. We can take 6 into 5 into n, we can cancel. Okay, then we can take like this. Now we know total number of girls and total number of boys. So average height of the student, we can write 6n into average height of girl 121. 6n into 121 is equal. This normally we can take the total height of the all girls. Then again like this, 5n into 132. This means total height of the all boys. If one boy 120, some boys 130, 32, some boys 135, like this. But we can take total height of the all boys. Then is divided by total student. This may be 6n plus 5n. So you can take 6n into 121 plus 5n into 123, again 11n. So you can cancel all n, denominator n and other part of n we can cancel. So after that we can write again like this. So this one equal to 1 to 1 into 6 plus 5 into 1 to 3 divided by 11. So again we can cancel like this. Again we can cancel like this. I show you. Here 1 to 1 means 11 into 11. 11 is squared. Again this one, the 12 11s. Here I have 12 11s. So I can write again 66 plus 60 is equal to 1 to 126 centimeters. So now we can see average height of student is 126 centimeters. Okay, again I mentioned, please subscribe my channel, please subscribe and hit a like and share with your friends, and you can see my future videos in my channel, and let us see again. Okay, thank you.